Are you satisfied with your current financial health? Let's take a moment to ponder this question. It's not just about the size of your bank balance or the number of assets you own, it's about understanding your financial status and how it affects your life goals. This is where the concept of a financial checkup comes into play. Just as you'd visit a doctor for a physical checkup, your finances too need regular assessments. It's about evaluating your money health, identifying areas that need improvement, and taking actionable steps to enhance your overall financial well-being. Why, you ask? Well, imagine sailing a ship without a compass. You'd be lost, right? Similarly, without knowing your financial standing, navigating the vast sea of life goals can be daunting. A financial checkup brings clarity, helps you make informed decisions, and puts you in control of your money. Remember, it's not just about surviving, but thriving. Knowing where you stand financially is the first step towards financial freedom. So, how does one conduct a comprehensive financial checkup? Well, it's not as complicated as it seems. Let's break down the process into 5 simple steps. Firstly, the evaluation of income. It's crucial to understand not just how much you're earning, but also where that income is coming from. Is it stable? Is it diversified? These questions can help you identify potential risks and opportunities within your income streams. Next is the examination of expenses. This step involves scrutinizing where your money is going. Are you spending too much on dining out or entertainment? Are there areas where you could cut back? By understanding your spending habits, you can make informed decisions about where to save and where to splurge. Thirdly comes the debt review. It's essential to take a hard look at any debts you might have, including student loans, credit cards, or mortgages. Understand your interest rates, payment schedules, and the overall amount you owe. This will allow you to create a strategic plan for paying off your debts while still maintaining a comfortable lifestyle. The fourth step is the analysis of savings and investments. Are you setting aside enough money for a rainy day? Are your investments growing at a satisfactory rate? Be honest with yourself about whether you're on track to meet your financial goals. Finally, we have insurance and retirement planning. This step involves assessing whether you have adequate insurance coverage and if you're saving enough for retirement. It's never too early to start planning for the future, and this step ensures you're well prepared for whatever life throws your way. Remember, these steps are not a one-time thing, but should be carried out consistently. A regular financial checkup can help you stay on top of your financial health, just like a regular physical checkup can help you stay on top of your physical health. So make it a habit and you'll be well on your way to financial well-being. Now that you've assessed your financial health, what's next? Well, let's dive into some strategies to improve your financial well-being. Firstly, budgeting is key. It's all about understanding where your money goes and how you can control it better. Start by categorizing your income and expenses. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation, enabling you to make necessary adjustments. Remember, a well-planned budget is your roadmap to financial stability. Next, consider reducing unnecessary expenses. Do you really need that daily gourmet coffee or the latest smartphone model? Cutting back on non-essential purchases can free up funds for more important financial goals. Your future self will thank you for it. Thirdly, tackling debts should be a priority. Whether it's student loans, credit card debts, or a mortgage, it's crucial to have a plan for paying off what you owe. The quicker you eliminate debt, the less you'll pay in interest over time. And that's more money in your pocket. Lastly, investing wisely is a powerful tool for improving your financial health. Whether it's in stocks, bonds, or real estate, investing allows your money to work for you and grow over time. But remember, it's important to do your research and consider seeking advice from financial professionals. These strategies may seem daunting at first, but don't be overwhelmed. Start small and gradually make changes to your financial habits. Remember, improving your financial health is a journey, not a destination. Start taking small steps today. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to conducting a financial checkup. Remember, the health of your finances isn't a one-time diagnosis. It's a continuous process, requiring regular checkups and adjustments. It's about understanding where you stand, identifying areas for improvement, and taking actionable steps towards healthier finances. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Wise Wallet Wisdom channel for more financial advice. Remember, a healthy wallet is a wise wallet.